Today for Mousetrap Monday, I have another really old style mousetrap to show you. This dates to the late medieval period. It's based off a drawing by Joseph Katz. I'll put a link in the description below to the resource where I found this trap and was able to recreate it. But as far as being a live catch mousetrap, this is one of the most advanced designs. For being several hundred years old, it's incredibly effective. Now it consists of a wooden box. The back here has some wires that make a little bars. You can see inside it has a trigger in back there that goes down from the top to the bottom. The mouse will go and get that bait and release this trigger. The front here consists of a door. It opens and closes. That way when the mouse goes in and trips that trigger, it will come down. Now this door doesn't rely on just gravity. These cross pieces here hold a piece of rope that's twisted with a stick, almost forming a windlass, and that's the engine for this trap. And it also serves as a blocker, so when it comes down, the mouse can't lift it up. This is a similar engine to the Maraude style mousetrap that's over 600 years old. That's a kill trap, and this is a live animal trap. But they've been using this twisted rope for mousetraps for hundreds and hundreds of years. To set it, you pull this back just a little bit, lift up the door. Now the door is connected to a string here and through this cross piece, and on the other end is a toggle, a little piece of wood. To set it, you pull that back. You can open and close the door. You put the toggle in the little board here that has a groove, and then the back of it fits into that little trigger hook that we talked about before. The mouse comes along, goes inside the trap, wants to get that bait, trips that trigger, releases the toggle, and the door closes, and it can't open because of that twisted rope and that stick. I'm really curious if this medieval style trap is going to work on mice, so let's go set it up with our pet mice, see if we can get them. Then we'll go set it up in the barn with motion cameras and catch some wild mice. Our pet mouse went into the medieval trap, touched the trigger in the back, and that door closed. We'll let her go and then go set this up in the barn with motion cameras to catch the wild mice. Last night we tested out our medieval trap, and when I came to check it in the morning, that door's closed. That stopper has it locked into place, and if you look in the bars, there's a mouse down there. This is a really great design. It worked well. Since this is a live animal trap, we're going to release the mouse. A medieval mouse trap works really well.